Printing a printer status report on the HP OfficeJet Pro 7720, 7730, and 7740 wide format all-in-one printer series. A printer status report provides information about your printer, and it can help you troubleshoot printing problems on your HP OfficeJet 7720, 7730, and 7740 series printers. With the printer turned on, slide out the paper input tray. Load plain white paper into the tray, and then adjust the guides so they touch the edge of the paper. Do not move the guides in so tightly that they bend the paper. Slide in the input tray. On the printer control panel, touch OK to confirm the size and type of paper, or touch Modify to adjust the settings to match the paper you loaded. Swipe down on the top of the home screen to open the dashboard, and then touch the Setup icon. Swipe up, then scroll to the bottom of the menu and touch Reports. Touch Printer Status Report. If the report prints successfully, the printer is working correctly. If you are having problems printing from your computer or device, the cause might be the network connection, device settings, or the software from which you are printing. The Printer Status Report provides important information about your printer. Easily find support information on support.hp.com using your model, product, and serial number. Access the printer's embedded web server by entering the IP address or host name into the web browser of a device on the same network as the printer. And prepare for replacing ink cartridges with the estimated ink levels and cartridge numbers.